boys, welcome back to the channel. Today is drag racing day again, but this time we're gonna race. Yep, you heard me right. Gonna take this truck down the track. First things first, we gotta fuel it up because it's really empty, and then we're gonna go and gauge all the tires because some of them off balance, you know. Alright boys, we got some fuel. It's about 3/4 of a tank. But there's one more issue, boys. One more issue. I'm so proud. My daughter is graduating today. Almost the same time as the event of the drag racing. But always family first. So I'm gonna go to my daughter's graduation. Have a good, wonderful time. It's a short one. I hope I finish in time to go to Palomarga and at least see some diesel drags and hopefully participate in one or two passes down the line. Special thanks to Tire Sylvia. You guys help me out all the time. They have great equipment to deal with trucks and stuff like that, so when you need your trucks to get fixed, check them out. Okay boys, next step next step is to go to my daughter's graduation, and when we finish with that, we're gonna meet up with the friends, haul ass to Palomarga, see if we can get some runs down. Alright boys, I made it. My daughter just graduated, and now it's time to go to Palomarga. This is my crew. I got my 7x3, Beast truck, the Cummins. Let's go Palomarga. Okay boys, this is it. Race time. Let's go. Alright boys, the first qualifying was a success. I ran 18:01. I didn't even try, just to get the feel of the truck, see if everything's okay. Now I bumped the chip to 25 horsepower, so I'm taking it really easy today and the first qualifying. So it's not about who's the fastest, but who's the best driver. So let's go and have fun. We're going against a diesel Tercel. Look. That was a hell of a good race, buddy. Hell yeah, boys, we won our first race. I went too fast, but we still won. I ran 17:50. I'm still taking it easy, but I'm gonna continue to take it easy. Gonna lower my dial-in time for 17:60 maybe, and continue to take it easy. Let's keep on going, boys. It's round 2.
G765. Pegou pelo número 6, ele tem direção de X5. Não, essa é a direção de 4.
All right, boys, we ran 1740. It was too fast, but we had fun. Let's put the truck aside and enjoy the rest of the evening. Quando, papai?
16.
16. Am corre. 7:43 ma corre muito duro. Alright, boys. Somebody had fun. We had fun. Everybody had fun. The trucks are in one piece. That's all that matters. Kom essa viregen na promegonos. We got the 5.9 Cummins. We got the 4.9 inline 6. We got the 7.3. Oh boy, that was a good night. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care.